Yams, can I borrow money?
Why?
I just have problem at home.
Oh, sorry to hear that. Just give me your phone.
Okay.
If you download Hypami, you can earn a lot.
Really?
Yes. Look at my account. I have a lot of gifts.
It's lucky. Wow. I'm lucky. Download now.